In the realm of beauty and wellness, the products we choose for our skin, body, and hair play a pivotal role. Sadly, numerous commercial products are riddled with harmful chemicals that may do more harm than good. However, an array of natural alternatives exist to nurture our bodies. One such unsung hero is baking soda, a commonplace ingredient with latent health benefits waiting to be harnessed. You probably have a trusty box of baking soda sitting in your home, primarily known for its leavening prowess in baking, odor elimination, and cleaning capabilities, but the extent of its potential goes far beyond these everyday applications. Before we delve into the wonders of baking soda, remember to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to ensure you never miss our insightful content. Here, we uncover the top-notch health benefits of baking soda that every woman should have on her radar. 1. Empowering kidney health. Dr. Julian Whitaker highlights that our body produces an alkaline substance to counterbalance acids and maintain pH levels. Kidney disease sufferers struggle to regulate acidity, leading to deterioration. Remarkably, a study by British researchers found that sodium bicarbonate, aka baking soda, curbed kidney decline by a staggering 2/3. 2. Banishing heartburn and indigestion. Over-the-counter remedies like Alka-Seltzer and Tums contain bicarbonate. Dr. Whitaker suggests that if these can alleviate indigestion, natural baking soda can excel further. A blend of half a teaspoon and half a cup of water, ingested an hour after eating, can be remarkably effective. 3. Navigating oral hygiene. While brushing teeth with baking soda directly can erode enamel due to its abrasiveness, incorporating it into toothpaste offers a safer option. The dental industry harnesses its benefits effectively. 4. Mighty mouthwash. Baking soda's prowess extends to mouthwash as well. It accesses nooks and crannies often missed during brushing, promoting comprehensive oral hygiene. Mixing half a teaspoon with warm water creates an effortless yet powerful mouthwash. 5. Soothing canker sores. Chronic ulceration, a perplexing ailment, met its match when baking soda joined the scene. Clinical evidence suggests that baking soda-infused therapy ameliorated conditions for 70% of patients. 6. A dazzling smile. Baking soda's gentle abrasiveness and antimicrobial properties aren't just handy for whitening teeth. They dismantle the bonds of staining molecules, revealing a brighter smile while fighting harmful bacteria. 7. A natural deodorant. Baking soda's knack for neutralizing acidic odors makes it a natural deodorant, as affirmed by Dr. John Henderson Lamb. It transforms sweat odors into less pungent aromas. 8. Elevating exercise performance. Muscles produce lactic acid, causing that familiar burn during exercise. Baking soda's potential to counteract this acidity was evidenced in a study published in Biomed Central. Participants consuming baking soda prior to exercise displayed increased endurance, translating to longer workouts. 9. Calming itchy skin and sunburn. Baking soda's properties can soothe itching and sunburn-induced stinging. From ready-made products to DIY pastes and baths, its versatility shines through. 10. Laundry's whitening ally. Research from the University of Nebraska reveals baking soda's alkali nature enables it to interact with stain-causing acids, effectively aiding in stain removal. 11. Battling carpet stains. The blend of baking soda and vinegar creates a dynamic duo for cleaning, releasing carbon acid, a common ingredient in cleaning products. Their fizzy collaboration penetrates carpets, annihilating stains. Baking soda, a true chameleon, transcends culinary roles to enrich our lives in multifaceted ways. Nonetheless, always exercise caution and consult a medical professional before employing it for health benefits, especially on your body. Baking soda's potency can lead to skin and eye irritation. If this journey through baking soda's capabilities captivated you, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and join our community by subscribing. Thank you for being part of our enlightening exploration. If you want to request a video with another topic about health, please let us know in the comments section below. Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.